Hey all. Well, regarding the Chevelle, the engine came into the car. And no, because in fact, like other parts for the car, it's not the correct part. So the correct motor mountains or brackets is not the one you can see here. They're on their way from USA. So as soon as I have them, then the motor is installed in the car. Also, a small hole for the shifter. It's a 4-speed M21 that will come into the car. Has been made so I can weld in the whatever it's called, steel, whatever it is, so it can come into the car. So a bit of progress has been made, but also the diff came out just now. It's 3 or 8 that came out, and a 12 bolt will come in. This 12 bolt will need a repair, and maybe it would be easier to do that now, but I've decided not to. I need to install this in the car so the driveline is complete, but it will need new ring and pinion, and it's a one-legger, so a differential will be bought at some point. But that will come later. The main part now is to get the diff, or not the diff, the rear axle, into the car and play with the differential later. That was just a small update. Bye.